Your daily cup of coffee might just be a heart's best friend. Can you believe it? New studies reveal that sipping coffee in moderation can actually lower your heart disease risk. Imagine this, a steaming cup filled with rich, aromatic liquid that not only wakes you up, but also cares for your heart. Enjoying 3 to 5 cups a day is linked to reduced inflammation and improved blood vessel health. That's right. Coffee does much more than just provide a caffeine kick. Packed with antioxidants, it serves as a shield for your cells. Think of it as a superhero fighting for your body. Whether you enjoy it black, add a splash of cream, or treat yourself to a creamy latte, each delightful sip could be working magic for your heart. Isn't that incredible? It's time to rethink our coffee breaks. Instead of viewing them as mere indulgences, they could be key to better health. So, why hesitate? Raise your mug to heart health and relish that next cup with excitement. If this news excites you, share it with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing health tips. Cheers to coffee and a healthier heart. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.